Hello, today I'm going to tell about Ajax, how to use Ajax in our web page. So Ajax is asynchronous JavaScript and XML. So whenever it's an automatic thing which the user does not know. So it's like whenever the user types something, it displays something automatically, which does the user does not know what is happening between the server and the client. So now will you try to use this one. So last time I have created an web page which is uses PHP to connect to our database. So this is our database. So first we need to start XAMPP server. Then in this is my database company and user. This is my admin page. So in my admin page I have one table that is users. In that table I have username, password and email ID. So I'll just open the starting page. So I'm just running it's asking register or login. I'm just going for a register. So if I go for register, it goes to index3.php. So here this is my index3 dot here I have used XML coding. So you can see it here. I have given on blur. So whenever the users go to the next text box, it goes on blur. It goes to check user is a function here. This is my whole Ajax is also a JavaScript. So I have given for the only user. This is the page which I want to display whether the username already existed in my database or not. So this is my username. In that I have given type text and I have given ID equal to name. And this is required and blur. So this is my function here. So the XML, for starting we need to open the request for it. So this is mandatory for everything. First I need to request this. So I need to create a new object. So I'm XML HTTP request new object. So I'm creating a new object dot like HTML TP request. So in that I need to open it. So here I need to give the method type like post or get. So this is how a get method sends information. So it's like this is my next PHP page and this is name equal to str. This is the data and this is the name, and this should be true. For asynchronous it should be true, and for synchronous it should be false. Asynchronous means the client does not know what is happening, but synchronous means it takes time and reloads, goes to next page and displays the data there. So I'm just sending the information like that object dot send. So we have totally three things here. So this like a ready state, it should be in a ready state. I'll just show you the this should be in a ready state. If ready state equal to 4, then the response is getting ready, and the status should be like 200, should not be like 404. 404 this page is not ready, and this should be like 300. This should be like 200, and on ready state change equal to function. So I'm just displaying my block here. First I have my div tag is display is none, so I'm just hiding my div tag. Here I'm displaying my div tag, and this was response text. So whatever there in my PHP, what is echoing there, it displays directly here in my response text. So I'm just going to my request.1php. Here first I'm just opening it. I'm just setting cookies for this for next use of my database. I'm just opening connection like MySQL underscore connection. This is my server name, username and password. I'm selecting my database as company data company. I like MySQL underscore select underscore database. I'm just checking if the user entered or not. If it is not equal to null, so if user entered something, I'm just selecting start from username, like where is user. So I'm just checking whether the given username is already present or not. So I'm just storing in my result. I'm just checking it. If equal not equal to none, I'm just going and I'm just fetching the data. I'm just storing it in a. If it is equal to a, then I'm displaying shunt equal to a. I'm just storing something, that username in that hint. So if it checks that everything, like every row, and checks if the username present or not. If the username present, the username is stored in that hint. If the username does not present, the hint will be empty. So if the hint is equal to empty, username does not exist in my database. If it is not equal to empty, the username already exists. So I'll just show you the code. I'm just running, like, I'll just Joel. So username already exists, because you can see here in my database the username Joel already exists. So I'll just give here Joel1. Yeah, I'll just go for the next thing. Username does not exist, so username does not exist. I'm just giving password, and I'm just submitting it. It just registered successfully. So I'll just go here and check it out if it is registered or not. So I have given this one ASDD. I'll just want to refresh this. My username was already present here. So this is how I design my web page. Thank you.